Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to add labels to tasks for better organization in Zoho Project, the full 2025 guide. First up, log into your Zoho Project account. This is where all our task organizing magic begins. Now, if you're wondering why we add labels, it's because they help categorize tasks, making them easier to find and track. Next, navigate to the specific project where the task is. Now, this step is crucial as we need to be in the right project to label the correct tasks. Think of it as being in the right department of a library to find your book. Now that we're in the right project, it's time to find the task you want to label. Click on the task, and on the right side, you'll see the option Add Labels. The reason we do this is to assign a specific category to our task, much like assigning a genre to a book. Click on Add Labels, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you can either choose an existing label or create a new one by typing it in and pressing Enter. This helps us because it allows for flexibility in our task organization. Remember, you can add more than one label to a task if needed. Once your labels are set, click outside the drop-down menu to close it, and voila, your task is labeled. Let me explain why this matters. It's not just about labeling for the sake of it, but it creates an efficient system to manage and track tasks, saving you time and energy. In conclusion, adding labels to tasks in Zoho Project is a breeze. It's all about logging in, navigating to the right project, selecting the task, and finally adding the appropriate labels. This process will transform your task management and enhance your project organization. Thanks for joining us today. Keep organizing, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.